Okay guys, so now you have successfully implemented the auth system, the login and also the registration system. But what about the verifications of the email? How can you verify the email? So before doing or before implementing the verification process, you have to use the SMTP setting to send the email from your applications to the client email. So how exactly you can do that by using the Laravel 10? Let's get started. Okay guys, so we have successfully implemented the auth system or the breeze, Laravel breeze. So now I have already created the email. So this is my domain. Don't worry about it. If you have your own SMTP settings, you can also do that. But for now, I'm saying so this is the env file. As you can see, now I need the code or the email here. So I'm saying this is the username, this is the password, and I think it's a TLS. Write the code here, and I think the single braces you can write the password here. SMTP port, I think we should keep this one. Let's try it. So now when you change the settings, you have to clear all the cache. Make sure you have to use the PHP artisan config cache clear, route clear, view clear, and this is the config, route, view, a cache, and also dump the code. Right click one by one. Fine. Okay, let's try it. Refresh the code. Now I'm saying click on the recent verification code. Okay, connection could not be established. Mail P 1025. So I think you have to change the SMTP setting. Okay, so now let's change it from this one to this. Once again, refresh the page, click on the recent verification email. So the system sent the email to us, could not be connection, mail P, stream socket. Okay, fine. Now I'm saying, okay, so we have to give this in a single quotation. Refresh, refresh. Okay, so now let's try it. So here is the problem. You have to change the host name. So this is not a right host name. The host name is, so this is the host name. Once again, refresh the code, click on the button or the link to send the email. As you can see, they have sent the email to verify your account. So I think they have sent the email to my Hotmail account, or I don't know. I think Hotmail account. Make sure since you have connected with your applications, so you have to check the junk folder also. Wait for a few seconds. It takes time to arrive your email here. I also going to open the Gmail account. Let me check with my phone. Okay, so it's not there. I think I should log out and log in again with my account. So I'm gonna use the account 1234567 8. The password. Click on the login button. Definitely, it will send. I'm saying just click on the button to send the email address. It's saying thank you for sign up. A new link verifications has been sent to the email address you provided during the registration.
So wait for a few seconds. Once I receive, then I will let you know that we have received the email. Okay, so I have received the email. So it's available in my spam folder. You have to check the junk and also the spam folder because uh, you are sending the emails from different domains. It's not your domain. You have connected with the local environment. As you can see, this is local, and you are sending the verifications link. I'm saying it looks safe. So as you can see, I have received the email from here. I'm saying looks safe. Just click on the verify to verify your address. As you can see, click on the link to verify the address, and you have verified your account. It's redirecting you to the dashboard. Okay, now I'm going to comment that we have successfully implemented the auth system, like implemented the auth in Laravel 10 with chat GPT. Okay, fine. So now you know very well about the branch. So this is a separate branch from the main branch.
Okay guys, so in this way you can implement the SMTP setting by using the Laravel 10. So I hope guys you are enjoying our videos. If you think we are doing good, thumbs up and thank you for watching.